Hello and welcome to the next video. In this video, we're going to be going over how to set up Burp Suite. By default, in Kali Linux, you should already have Burp Suite. If you search for Burp, Burp Suite should show. We're going to click Next on a temporary project. In order to save our project to a disk, we would need to purchase an upgraded version of Burp Suite. For this course, we're simply going to be using the free Community Edition. We're going to be using the default settings. Great, Burp Suite is now open. In order for Burp Suite to work with our web browser, we need to install an extension. We're going to be using the extension Foxy Proxy. We can see here Foxy Proxy Standard, the extension for Firefox. Fantastic. Now we can left click on Foxy Proxy and click Options. Inside here, we're going to click Add. What we're doing here is we're setting up Foxy Proxy to act as an intermediary between our browser and Burp Suite. Foxy Proxy is going to redirect all of our traffic to Burp Suite, so that way we can intercept and modify web requests before they're forwarded to the web server. We can give it any title here, but I prefer just calling it Burp. We need to have it listening on our local loopback, 127.0.0.1. And by default, Burp listens on port 8080. We can click Save. Great. Burp Suite is now ready to intercept pages. We're going to go to a page that specifically has HTTPS disabled. neverssl.com. Great. Now we can click on the extension, click on Burp, and this will turn on Foxy Proxy. We can now refresh our page here, and then we can go to the target, and we can see here our request. Additionally, we can see a history of all our requests inside the Proxy tab under HTTP History. In the next video, we're going to be going over the functions of Burp Suite, but in this video, we're mostly focused on setup. The next thing we need to do is we need to go to http://burp suite. Inside of here, we can click See a Certificate, and that downloaded a certificate file. Next, we can go into Settings. We can search for certificate. We can click View Certificates. We can click Import, and we can import this certificate. I have already installed the certificate, but for you, it should show that it was successfully imported. Great. Now we should be able to intercept HTTPS websites. Great, we can see that we just intercepted the request to exploit DB. Make sure to turn off your Foxy Proxy when you're done using it. Your Burp Suite is now ready to use. I'll see you in the next video.